We don't like risk. We don't like surprises. You. Let's talk about a potential refinancing. There is a no risk, no cost, no nothing outside of just your time and our time too. But to get together to see if this makes sense for you. We do soft credit checks, meaning it's not a hard inquiry, doesn't count against like your credit scores and hurt you. It also doesn't trigger all those silly where people call you at night during dinner to try to get you to do stuff. So soft credit pulls are what we do. We don't order appraisals, not until we have to, until we've made absolute certain that everything works where it wants it and the refinance makes sense. Then if appraisal is required, and it's not always, but if it is, we'll order the appraisal then. So there's no risk on that side, no cost. We're here to serve to make sure that you know exactly what you have and what the market is offering right now. Rates have come down. It does make a lot of sense for folks to do this to where it's like, if nothing, have the conversation. You can do that by going to meetmortgagemark.com. Meetmortgagemark.com, and you'll see our calendar. Pick a time that'll automatically schedule it. It'll show up on on our side. We'll have a 30-minute conversation. And then in advance, if you can, be the overachiever, do a loan refinance form. It's just you going in there and saying, here's my rate, here's my cost, or pardon me, my rate, my payment, and what I have now, and what do you think the current value is? And you may say, man, I'll get that later. You can, but if you do it ahead of time, it takes you 5 minutes and it'll make our conversation substantially more effective and efficient so that we don't have to keep it too long. So it is absolutely, there's no risk to do this. Meetmortgagemark.com. There'll be a link as well that somewhere around here that you can click to do a refinance analysis form. When you book that appointment, we'll make sure you got that. We'll absolutely make sure that you're having the conversation at no risk. So if you or someone you know, if you know you want to save somebody some bucks and make them your new best friend, send them our way. Send them to meetmortgagemark.com. Tell them to book the appointment. We'll take good care of anybody you send, but let's make sure you're doing exactly and not wasting money. No risk. Look forward to hearing from you. And as always, when you think mortgage, think market.